So I went to Walmart to check out the Black Friday deals, and what did I see? I found these super cute Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, gingerbread Christmas light decorations. They are just so adorable. I love them. I want them. I need them. And these would look so cute decorated outside in the Disney theme.
The most popular gingerbread recipes on the internet, and I'm going to tell you which one's the best. I hope this gets to you before you start baking. First things first, let's get a lay of the land, a look at the competitors. We have Half Baked Harvest, Tartine, we have New York Times Cooking, which you all recommended, Cooks Illustrated, and the first one on Google, which is Sally's Baking Addiction, great SEO on that website, and Preppy Kitchen. Now, which one won? Well, we're going to tell you the winner right here. So if you exit the video, just know Tartine was the best by a landslide. It is so chewy, so thick. I love the spices in it, and the glaze was incredible. For me, Half Baked Harvest frosting and chai spice elevated it to a second spot here. You put the spice on right before it bakes, and that's how much frosting I put on my own cookie because I loved it so much. I made minis out of it, a little boy and a girl. He's going to be a dancer, and she's going to be a doctor. My little cutie patooties. This is New York Times Cooking. More mild, definitely the most mild of them all. I give this one a 7 out of 10. A little bit more crunch to it than the rest. If you like a less spice-forward cookie, that's for you. The chewiest cookie maybe I've ever made is this Cooks Illustrated gingerbread cookie. How chewy? Look at this. I'm desecrating an unfrosted snowman here to show you. It's like bending with me. That's how chewy. Sally's has a great black pepper flavor. I give it an 8 out of 10. Preppy Kitchen, I actually give an 8.7 out of 10. I was very pleased with this. It's chewy just like Cooks Illustrated, but by far the winner for me was this Tartine cookie with a 9.5 out of 10. The glaze is so good. It's so soft, so fluffy. If you're going to make a house though, go with the Sally's. That's my morale. That's how I'm feeling after making all these. So Tartine wins by landslide. Good luck.
But the fire is so delightful, and since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought me some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I'll hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight,
all I can say is ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh. Oh, I can't help you, turn me on so bad. Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh. I just can't seem to get you off my head.
gingerbread finds at Michael's. We have this cute little pillow. I really like the color scheme on this. They had a few gingerbread houses. I hope they get a couple more. This one was a Christmas countdown. And this cute little cupcake.
Then one day everything changed. You're all I need. Underneath the tree, you're here, where it should be. Sun is falling as the candles sing. Just what did they say? I see it goes.
The cutest gingerbread house the other day at Publix. I wanted to show you guys. It is my dream gingerbread house. Okay, here it is. It is a designer gingerbread house, it says. It is all like pink and white. It was only $12.99. And this is what the gingerbread house is gonna look like when we're done with it. That is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. They come in blue too. Let me show you guys what's in here. The gingerbread and the ice. And white glitter. My daughter was begging me to get a gingerbread house, and I decided this one would be perfect for us to make together. It's going to be like a complete display piece. It is gorgeous, gorgeous. I think they even had green. I can't remember, but yeah, it was at Publix if you have a Publix in your area.